Watch out for Luigi. He knows how to come back.
Uh-oh, what?
Come here. Hey, Luigi. How's it going? Kind of like... Excuse me. Dang it, Luigi.
Oh, you're at
Oh no.
Who's Ness? Tony, why do you suck?
Go!
What the heck? I got no one!
Yeah! Way to fail.
Go Sonic, go Sonic.
Team up on Ness. I mean, yeah, team up on Ness. Hey man, let's go.
Oh god.
Oh, Ness didn't go out get him.
Oh, really?
That's why they call it Oh god, this canceling.
I was playing team. That's what I do with Jeremy. I managed to get 30 kills in that one match.
No, don't need. Look at your health.
I know. How is it still alive? I don't know.
Tony, be careful.
Kill Ness.
Got it. Wait.
No. Come on, Tony. Get it.
No, Tony, don't get. You get it, Sonic. Get it. There you go. Get it.
Yeah.
Alpha Sonic.
Super Saiyan.
Yes. Yeah.
Super Saiyan.
I went Super Saiyan. Racing.
Super Saiyan.
Play some Air Riders.
I actually have a picture of some of the Chaos Emeralds.
Yeah, it's like Air